This is the second part of the video, that is periodic table of the elements, and I have told you that what are groups and periods in the periodic table. Do you remember them? Groups are the column of the elements. They are also called families. Elements in each family have similar but non-identical properties. For example, lithium, sodium and potassium and other members of family 1A are soft, white and shiny metals. All of these are the members of group 1A and they all are similar. It means they are soft, white and shiny. All elements in a family have the same number of valence electrons. If we talk about group 1A, it means that it has how many valence electron? 1 वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन. सो हमें इससे पता चला कि वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन के थ्रू भी हमें किसी भी एलिमेंट्स का ग्रुप नंबर पता चल सकता है. Periods. Each horizontal row of the element is called a period, and in a period elements are don't similar. Their properties change greatly across even given the row. Properties change होती है, एक रो में same properties elements की नहीं होती. The first element in a period is always an extremely active solid. The last element in the period is always an inactive gas. आप देख सकते हैं कितना चेंज आ रहा है. स्टार्ट में जो है वो एक्टिव सॉलिड होगा और लास्ट में वो इनएक्टिव गैस होगा. लेट्स सी व्हाट इज हाइड्रोजन. अगर आपने देखा हो पीरियोडिक टेबल बिगिंस विद द हाइड्रोजन. हाइड्रोजन sits a top family of 1A, but it is not a member of that family. हाइड्रोजन इज़ इन अ क्लास ऑफ इट्स ओन. ये फर्स्ट मेंबर है पीरियोडिक टेबल का, लेकिन इट डोंट हैव द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ ग्रुप 1A. It is gaseous at room temperature. It has one proton and one electron and its one and only energy level. हाइड्रोजन का सिर्फ एक प्रोटॉन होता है तो इसका एक ही इलेक्ट्रॉन होता है, वैलेंस शेल होता है. हाइड्रोजन नीड्स ओनली 2 electrons to fill up its valence shell. It means that it needs to complete D'Hobrit rule. Now we will discuss the properties of group 1A till 8A. The group 1A elements are called alkali metals. येलो कलर से दिखाया इनको. फर्स्ट बॉक्स इज फॉर हाइड्रोजन जिसको ऐसे छोड़ दिया गया. The alkali family is found in the first column of the periodic table. Atoms of the alkali metals have single electron in their valence shell because group 1A, so their valence electron will be 1. They are shiny and have the consistency of clay and are easily cut with a knife. Because they are soft, so they can easily be cut by knife. Second family is group 2A. They are the most reactive metals. They react violently with water. Alkali metals are never found as free elements in nature. They are always bonded with another element. क्योंकि इतनी ज़्यादा हाईली रिएक्टिव होती हैं तो ये फ्रीली स्टेट में हमें नेचर में नहीं मिलेंगी. ये हमेशा किसी और एलिमेंट के साथ बॉन्डेड हालत में हमें मिलती हैं. Alkaline earth metals, they are never found uncombined in nature. They have 2 valence electron because they are the members of group 2A, and they include magnesium, calcium and others. ट्रांजिशन मेटल्स जिसको हम पीरियोडिक टेबल के बी ब्लॉक में आता है. ट्रांजिशन एलिमेंट्स इंक्लूड एलिमेंट्स इन द बी फैमिली, यानी कि ग्रुप 1B till 8B. These are the metals and you probably most familiar. They are copper, tin, zinc, iron, nickel, gold and silver. इनको अलग से एक सेंटर पार्ट में जिसको ब्लॉक बी कहते हैं उसमें पुट किया गया है पीरियोडिक टेबल में. दे आर गुड कंडक्टर्स ऑफ हीट एंड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. जाहिर सी बात है मेटल्स हैं तो दे आर गुड कंडक्टर्स. द कंपाउंड्स ऑफ ट्रांजिशन मेटल्स आर यूजुअली ब्राइटली कलर्ड एंड आर ऑफन यूज टू कलर पेंट्स. जो कंपाउंड्स हैं ट्रांजिशन मेटल्स के वो ब्राइट कलर्ड होते हैं और पेंट्स बनाने के लिए इस्तेमाल होते हैं. Transition elements have 1 or 2 valence electrons which they lose when they are bonded with other atoms. Some transition elements can lose their electrons next to the outermost level. They are highly reactive. Transition metals have properties similar to one another and to other metals, but their properties do not fit in with those of any other family. इनको अलग से इसलिए प्लेस किया गया क्योंकि इनकी प्रॉपर्टीज़ किसी और ग्रुप की मेटल्स से मैच नहीं करती. These transition metals combine chemically with oxygen to form compounds that are called oxides. Now group 3A, boron family. बोरॉन फैमिली इज़ नेम्ड आफ्टर द फर्स्ट एलिमेंट इन द फैमिली. जो फैमिली का फर्स्ट एलिमेंट है वो बोरॉन है, इसीलिए इसको बोरॉन फैमिली भी कहा जाता है. एटम्स इन दिस फैमिली हैव 3 वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन बिकॉज इट इज़ ग्रुप 3A. द फैमिली इंक्लूड्स मेटेलॉइड बोरॉन एंड द रेस्ट आर मेटल्स, and they include the most abundant metal in the earth's crust, that is aluminium. 4th A, carbon family. They have 4 valence electron. The family includes the non-metal carbon, metalloids and other metals. The element carbon is called the basis of life. There is an entire branch of chemistry devoted to the carbon compounds known as organic chemistry. जब आप हायर ग्रेड्स में केमिस्ट्री पढ़ोगे तो इट विल बी डिवाइडेड इनटू 2 कैटेगरीज, ऑर्गेनिक एंड इनऑर्गेनिक. सो ऑल द कार्बन कंपाउंड्स और कार्बन कंटेनिंग कंपाउंड्स विल बी स्टडीड इन ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री. नाइट्रोजन फैमिली. The nitrogen family is named after the element that makes up 78% of our atmosphere. जो हमारे एटमॉस्फेयर का 78% पार्ट है, इट इज़ फिल्ड बाय नाइट्रोजन. This family includes non-metals, metalloids and metals, and all the elements in nitrogen family have 5 valence electrons. They tend to share electrons when they form bonds. Other elements in this family are phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. Oxygen family, group 6A. They have 6 valence electrons. Most elements in this family share electrons when form bonds. Oxygen is the most abundant element in the earth crust. ये हमने लास्ट इसके वीडियो के फर्स्ट पार्ट में भी पढ़ा था. It is extremely active and combines with almost all the elements. Halogen family, group 7A. This family includes fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. They are also called halogens because halo means salt, gens means producers. So all of these elements, they can produce salts when they react with other elements. That is why they are called as halogens, salt producers. They have 7 valence electrons and they are most active non-metals. They cannot found free in nature. Halogen atoms only need to gain 1 electron to fill their outermost shell. क्योंकि इनके outermost shell में 7 electrons हैं तो इनको octet complete करने के लिए सिर्फ 1 electron की ज़रूरत होती है. That is why they react with most of the alkali metals to form salts. Noble gases, group 8. This group is also called as zero group or inert gases. They are colorless and extremely unreactive. Why are they unreactive? Because their octet are complete. They have 8 valence electrons in the outermost shell. जब इनका octet complete है, so they don't need to donate or accept electron in order to form bonds. That is why they are non-reactive. One important property of noble gases is their inactivity. They are inactive because their outermost energy level is full. They do not readily combine with other elements to form compounds. That is why they are also called inert. The family of noble gases includes helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. All the noble gases are found in small amount in the earth atmosphere. Rare earth elements. अब जो टेबल के बाद नीचे 2 कॉलम्स और नीचे 2 रॉज और कॉलम्स बने हुए हैं, they are called rare earth elements. The 30 rare earth elements are composed of lanthanides and actinides series. One element of the lanthanide series and most of the elements in the actinide series are called transuranium, which means they are synthetic or man-made. Mendeleev's periodic table. In 1869, मैंडलीव क्रिएटेड द फर्स्ट एक्सेप्टेड वर्जन ऑफ द पीरियोडिक टेबल। जो अभी हम पीरियोडिक टेबल देखते हैं अपने बुक में और यूज़ करते हैं, दिस इज़ द एडवांस फॉर्म ऑफ द मैंडलीव्स पीरियोडिक टेबल, क्योंकि इसने जो है वो मोस्ट प्रोग्रेसिव पीरियोडिक टेबल बनाया था। He grouped elements according to their atomic masses, and as he did, he found that the families had similar chemical properties. Blank spaces were left open to add new elements he predicted would occur. इसने बहुत ज़्यादा रेलेवेंट पीरियोडिक टेबल बनाया था और उसमें न्यूली डिस्कवर्ड एलिमेंट्स के लिए खाली स्पेसेस भी छोड़े थे। इसीलिए मेंडलीव पीरियोडिक टेबल इज़ द मोस्ट ऑथेंटिक वन, and the modern periodic table which we use nowadays is the progressive form of Mendeleev's periodic table. That's it. I hope you have understood the topic and you have the clear all the properties of different groups or families in your mind. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video.